Hello YouTube, Mountainous here. And here we are outside the Mountainous Snow Cave. And today we're doing it real big, baby. And the last few days we got several feet of new snow. It was a freaking blizzard. Now let's take a look at this snow cave. Oh yeah guys, check out all that snow. I got about 16 feet of snow in the backyard and it's almost touching the second story roof in the back. Now let's take a look at this overhang. I've done some work on the snow cave and you can see the overhang is sticking out pretty far now. It's freaking awesome. You can see from the side view that the overhang sticks out farther than the bottom of the door. Now it cannot snow inside the cave even if it's snowing at an angle. This thing is freaking awesome. Here's a closer look at the top of the entrance. You can see how massive this snow cave is. Now there's the entrance and the overhang. It's definitely changed since you've seen it last time. Check out this overhang. It's freaking awesome. Even if it's snowing at an angle, it does not get inside the cave anymore. Oh yeah, baby, it's starting to snow again. Now let me show you the entrance to this snow cave. It's freaking massive, baby! Oh yeah! This snow cave is freaking huge! Look at this thing! It's mountainous, baby! Time to light the candles. I just lit the candles. Check it out. It's freaking awesome. Mountainous style, baby. Oh yeah, take a look at this awesome snow cave, baby. This is Mount Hood style. Freaking epic winter this year. Look at all that snow. It's freaking awesome. Check it out. Oh yeah, baby. I'm going to bring you inside this snow cave so you can see how awesome it is. It's freaking huge. Awesome. Look at that, baby. Alright, guys. We're doing it real big, Mount Hood, Oregon. Stay tuned for more epic mountainous adventures. Until the next one, Mountainous out.
Get the fuck away from my snow cave. I've been digging that shit all day. Say you don't wanna get blown the fuck away. Get the fuck away from my snow cave. Cause I got a shovel here. Fuck you up today. Get the fuck away from my snow cave. I've been digging that shit all day. Say you don't wanna get blown the fuck away. Get the fuck away.